Welcome CNG 132 500. It's Monday, the December the 3rd. Yeah, Monday, December the 3rd. This is our last full week that we have together. So make sure you're turning in all assignments within the next 7, 8, 9 days. So you have this entire week to do chapter 15, and then you have 2 days extra, which will allow you to go back and do any other outstanding assignments that need to be turned in. Caveat of that is I've received a question or two on the exam scores. The only way to improve those scores would be to go back and do the Kaplan, rehearse those, and then get those turned in. The discussions look really good for this week. Not a lot of people did them. Only a few out of all of us. So make sure that you do go back, hit those, and get those extra points for those. Once again, some points are better than no points. It'll help you get that grade. The security policy, once again, is just two policies based on what I have mentioned in week, I believe week 13, what I outlined in week 13. That you go to NIST.org, SANS.org. I know I'm going to mess it up if I try to say it, but that third one, .org. Go there and look at the templates. Then don't copy and paste it, but make sure you see their format, their skeleton, and put in there the scope, what the policy is. You know, define vocabulary terms. That should easily get you two pages on your security policy, or two security policies in general, and that'll be a good submission. Kaplan and quiz tests, make sure to get these in. Remember, Kaplan is the rehearsal software for you getting certified after this course. Practicing it, rehearsing it will prepare you for taking the CompTIA the CompTIA SYO 501 security test and get you certified. Let's see, Transcender, I already said that. I believe that's it. Oh, another question about certification. I received another email about taking MTAs. The Microsoft Technology Associates are only proctored on the Larimer campus. The reason behind that is I pay for the group of tickets, the vouchers, basically their seats. I pay for the seats for the Larimer campus, and since you guys are in my online class, I do invite you to come to the campus and take those certifications, but they're only offered here on this campus. Boulder and Westminster would have to pay for their own seats and get that implemented at their locations. And I think that's a future thing. I'm not even sure when it's going to happen, but I believe it's a future thing. But if you do want to get a certification out of this course, walk away with this course with a basic certification, feel free to email me. Come down to our testing center. I'll even, if you don't have time during the semester, let me know during break. I can come into campus on like a weekend and work with you about getting certified. But once again, good certification. MTAs don't expire; they last forever. And basically, walking away with this course, you get a certification in something. This week we cover chapter 15. We have sort of a busy week to end it. This week we have, okay, I'm already on there. We have the test, the final exam, a few assignments, and I believe this week we actually talk about a security policy. Yeah. Analyzing corporate security policy, simulation of management risk. So we look at the security policy itself. Project 15, if you open it up, does have a optional part of it. 15.1, I put it as optional because you should, walking away from this course, you should be coming away from the course looking at everything skeptically. You know, is the information I'm giving to someone, can that be used to launch an attack against me? So I put that one as optional. I forgot what that one had to do with. I thought it was like email. I'll look it up though. But once again, to assess that and see if you want to do it, I always think it's good now to practice everything we've covered in the course and take that into a real life approach. Like, what is giving my email, phone number, address away? You know, how much of that is public? How much of that is private? The public side of it would be my address, my name, while the private side of that would be my phone number, my email. But really evaluate that. Our very last week, I don't think I have it on here, but it should say week 16, and that's just the 10th and the 11th, but I really don't count that. You can still turn in assignments. If there's anything outstanding, make sure to get that in those the last 2 days. I will not take anything after Tuesday about 5 o'clock. That's when I completely just stop grading. Everything should be submitted at that time. What else? If you have any questions about certifications, let me know. Once again, I want you to get certified, at least with an MTA. Come down to Larimer campus, get certified. Make sure you have that Kaplan. Make sure you're rehearsing that Kaplan. Go get certified for CompTIA. And if you have any questions, let me know. Besides that, this is our last week together. I do hope you enjoyed it. I had a really nice time reading all your information, and I'll check back with you later this week.